That's a good one. That's like a fish. Are you videotaping?
Yeah.
Wow, it's so fluid. How do they stick together like that? Now they separate. They're coming back together. Boom. It's almost like they know the design they're creating. You know?
Yeah.
Oh, look. So poetic. Now it's like chasing. Look, it's like chasing a little sperm.
Yeah, they kind of drop down.
Yeah. Wow. When do they turn black? It's a certain angle, I guess.
Just when they get more of them in one area.
I don't know. I think it's more about the angle of the wings. Actually, because even a very small circle will turn black.
Isn't that wild?
It's the most wild thing I've ever seen. Look at that. Oh my God. Right there. Did you get that?
Yeah, I got it.
It's sweeping. Oh my God, it's so neat. Look. Wow. They totally know what they're doing. Oh, are you still getting it?
Yeah.
They totally know what they're doing. Oh my God. Oh. There's so many more right now. They just have to come together. You know what's interesting? It's the most visual thing ever, and it's right over Guide Dogs for the Blind. You know? Isn't that kind of ironic?
Yeah, I'm going to send this to a bunch of my coworkers that work here.
Yeah.
So they can hear us on it.
Right, but I mean... Okay, for some reason they're not making formations, but I can tell that there's more now than ever.
There's still more coming in from down there.
Yeah.
In the clouds. They're hard to see on this.
Now look at little tiny
spurts, yeah.
Tiny little formations. Oh, it's a heart!
Check that out.
Oh my God!
Isn't that wild? It's like a living, breathing...
Yeah, it is. Oh my God. They're going nuts. Look at them all coming up from the bottom.
Yeah.
Oh. I'm so glad I brought an umbrella. Look at that. You guys are amazing.
Oh shit.
We'll get under the umbrella.
No, because I don't want to get the umbrella. I want to get the birds.
I know, but still. Look, it's a heart over there. Check it out. Oh
wow,
God,
that is just unbelievable. I don't want the...
You won't get it. Oh.
Isn't that just the most wildest thing you've ever seen?
Yeah, it truly is. Look at that. It is the most wild thing. It is like a fireworks show.
Yeah, tornadoes it looks like.
Uh-huh. And it's so harmless, except for bird shit on you. But it's no sense of being in fear or anything.
Isn't that just amazing?
Look at that, the way it's dropping down from one to the other.
It just spreads out and then they all come back together and...
I know, I want to know more. Look at that.
Whoa.
Wow. Wow.
Oh my God, it's huge. Look at that thing.
How many are there?
I don't know.
Millions.
Look at that.
They go right